years.
Hello, I'm Andoni and I'm addicted to mobile phone.
Hello, I am Yanire and I'm addicted to the mobile phone.
Hello, I'm Irune and I'm addicted to mobile phone.
Hello, I'm Unai and I'm addicted to the mobile phone.
Hello, I'm Unai and I am addicted to the mobile phone.
Hello, I am Irene and I am addicted to the mobile phone.
Hello, I am Álvaro and I am addicted to the mobile phone.
Hello, I'm Inigo and I'm addicted to the mobile phone.
Hello, I'm Eiko and I am addicted to the mobile phone.
Hello, I'm Pablo and I am addicted to the mobile phone.
Hello, I am Sacha and yes, I am addicted to the mobile phone.
Hello, I'm Christian and I am addicted to the mobile phone.
Hello, I'm Yolander and I am addicted to the mobile phone.
Hello, present yourself, please.
Hello, my name is Eiko and I'm 17 years old.
I'm Sacha, I'm 15 years old and I live in the Basque Country.
Hello, I am Diego and I am 15 years old.
Hello, I'm Álvaro and I'm 15 years old.
Hello, I am Pablo and I am 15 years old. Hello, I'm Andoni and I'm 16.
I am Ivan and I'm 15 years old.
Hello, I am Irune and I am 15 years old.
And how old were you when you got your first mobile phone?
I was 10 years old.
I got my first mobile phone when I was 12.
Maybe 9 years old.
11 years old.
I think I was 11 years old.
When I get my first mobile phone, I was 12 years old.
I was 10 years old.
I was 10 years old.
And how would you imagine your life without a mobile phone?
It will be very hard and I wouldn't have social life.
Quite hard because I use mobile phone for everyday life, when I wake up, when I go to bed, when I am in school, when I go with my friends, so I think it would be quite hard. The life without a mobile phone, it will be a very difficult life without technologies, WhatsApps.
It could be very, very difficult because I use it for everything, for when I wake up, when I in the school, when I very difficult.
Horrible. Without Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, impossible. I don't know. I use my mobile phone 5 hours a day and I cannot live it without a mobile phone.
And how is your daily life?
It's like an addiction. It's like an addiction. Should I drink another drink? Am I running out of time? Confusion makes me think this illusion is beyond my sorry mind. 'Cause I am here and it eats me up, but I love the way it feels. I really shouldn't stay, but I can't get up. The more it hurts, the more I need. It's like an addiction, and I just can't break free of the madness. It's like an addiction, and I'm the only one with the sadness. It's like an addiction, and I just can't. It's like an addiction, and I just can't break free of the madness. It's like an addiction, and I'm not alone with the sadness. It's like an addiction, and I just can't break free of the madness. It's like an addiction.
And how would you imagine your life without a mobile phone as 20 years ago?
I can't imagine it without my mobile phone.
Hi girls, what do you prefer, a life with or without social networks?
With it, of course. My life would be useless without social networks. How can I get informed about the latest gossips? You don't have to be always attached to the phone. You can socialize. But how can I talk to my friends without my phone? Am I supposed to talk to them without smoke signals? Oh hell no. You are not from the Middle Ages. You can choose a place and go there, no matter who's there. The only thing that matters is to go out and have fun. Well, if you look it like that, I think it's a good idea. Of course it is. You should leave your phone away and enjoy.